Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me today for this simple 8-minute ab workout. If you would like to stay up to date with my videos that I post every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, don't forget to subscribe and click that little bell notification. It'll let you know when I post my brand new videos. Let's start today's video off with a little bit of a warm-up. Find a tabletop position on your hands and your knees, and on the next exhale, you're going to bring your belly button towards your spine to a cat, and inhale towards a cow. Exhale towards a cat. Inhale to a cow. Let's do a few more for 30 seconds. If you would like, you can begin to take your ribs to one side, to the other side, and then finally in a big round circle hitting the front, the side, the back, and the other side, and then go towards the other way. So very first exercise for 30 seconds, we're going to be holding a plank. Make sure your belly button is moving towards your spine. Your butt is tucked down, not too tucked under. And if this high plank hurts your wrists at all, please feel free to take a variation on your elbows of the same plank. Two more seconds and relax down. Let's meet laying down all the way on our backs for the next exercise. You have 5 more seconds of a rest until we begin our Pilates roll-ups. On the inhale, reach your hands away from you, and on the exhale, curl your spine up, peel from the top of your head all the way down to your sacrum, and then release down, starting with your sacrum and reversing the roll-up. Let's do a few more for 15 seconds. Kind of like a sit-up, but we're using more of our lower abdominals, and then you fold forward into a half fold towards your feet. And finishing the last one. Bring your feet in and bend your knees, taking your legs 90 degrees bent, hovering off the floor. With your hands behind your head, on the inhale, you're going to reach your head and neck off the floor and do some bicycle crunches. Every time bringing yourself back to that tabletop position on your back. So exhale, bring it to tabletop. Inhale, flex 1 foot away. Exhale, tabletop. Inhale, flex 1 foot away. Let's repeat for 15 more seconds. Finishing your last one, and relax. Keeping your toes together, face your knees away from each other into a butterfly. On the next exhale, bring your elbows to your knees, and on the inhale, tap your toes to the floor and rest your head on the floor. Exhale, our elbows goes to our knees, and inhale, our toes touch the floor. Exhale, elbows to knees, inhale, toes touch the floor. 15 more seconds. Make sure your spine is flat on the floor to protect your lower back so you don't have any pain during this, and release down. 1 more, finishing here. We will remain on our back for the next one. Feel free to take your hands underneath your bum or your sacrum to protect your low back, and we're just going to lower our legs down and bring them back up, keeping our spine completely flat on the floor. Let's do 1 more, an extra push, and release down. Still on our back here, make sure your spine's really flat on the floor for the next one. Take your hands down towards your body, take your feet off the floor, and let's go into our Pilates 100. So breathing out for 5 and breathing in for 5 as your head and your chest are raising off the floor. If you would like to challenge yourself, extend your legs about 45 degrees from the floor. And release. release. Excellent work. Take your knees in towards your chest, roll out your ankles if you need to. Take an extra few seconds here to stretch, grab some water if you need to as well. Maybe extending your legs in front of you to stretch out your hamstrings a little bit. Now take your hands behind your head, lift your head and chest off the floor. On the inhale, you're going to keep your legs parallel, and on the next exhale, you're going to flex one foot down to the floor, and you're going to inhale, bring them back towards you. Exhale, flex one foot down, pointing your toes as you inhale. Exhale, one heel goes down. Inhale back and exhale down. Let's do 10 more seconds. And release after this one. For the next exercise, we're going to meet forward on our mat into a low plank on our elbows for some alternating toe taps. So this is the second last exercise. Make sure you're still breathing, your spine is straight, your butt is not sticking up, and you're just simply tapping your toes side to side. And finishing the last one. Now, I was just kidding. This is actually the third last exercise. For the second last one, we will be doing some push-ups to work on our upper body. So feel free to take a variation here, either on your knees or all the way up, nice and slow. A chaturanga push-up, just like we would do in yoga, keeping your elbows close towards your body, keeping your ribs engaged and your belly button tucked in. For the very last one, let's find our downward facing dog. On the inhale and on the exhale, our knee is going to move towards our chest. Inhale, downward dog. Exhale, knee towards our chest. Inhale, downward dog. Exhale, knee towards our chest. Let's repeat for 15 more seconds. Great job. Now you can either end here or do one final push on your elbows, sitting back for abdominals. We're going to beat our legs, heels moving in front of one another, working our inner thighs, engaging our abs, making sure that your sit back is a V shape. Relax. Thank you so much for joining me for this ab workout inspired by ballet and Pilates. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I do. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks again so much for watching. Stay safe and bye now.